Yo. I'm sick of being slept on. I think it's time for a video. The shelf where I'm at, it's like a bad picture, so I'm...
Recording.
I am.
Yes.
I am.
Alright. I didn't know you was out here at the phone.
I'm sick of being slept on. I think it's time for a video. The shelf where I'm at, it's like a bad picture, so I'm gonna write till my hands on a bad blister flow. Hearing your music's like hearing 4 clap pistols blow. It hurts my ears. Your music's worse than I feared. I won't stop. Like Leonidas, I'll drop my spear to the ground, kneel down, make the crowd go silent just to pick it back up and throw it towards your eyelids. Your rhymes are mildish, nursery time, they're childish. My divine lines will kidnap a beat, rape and defile it. The game's screwed, I'll twist it, beat, nail, and file it. You think you're the shit when you're really just a pile of it. Coel's on his kinky fuck, whisper a wild shit. I'll rip open your gallbladder and watch your bile drip. Crazy, yeah, that's what no respect will do to you. I'm gonna be a virus in this game, a pest, the flu to you. It's my word that I'll murder each verse that I touch. Sharp words cut into my mouth like Captain Crunch. If you keep thinking I'm a joke, go ahead, laugh it up. I'll show you that I'm the truth, make you laugh it up. Precipitate your hate, stir into a bowl to drink, mix it with success, motivation, and positive things. Pour it into a pan and let my anger start to bake. After one song, you'll see that the takeover's cake. Past local 2 seconds.
Oh! Yeah.